right.
Brother.
Ah.
Yeah, brother.
Chief Dembula. Chief Dembula.
How are you?
Now, when I get this country nowadays, the wind don't just dey blow now go here, go there. The blow you come my office this morning.
You, where you don't see me, where you know have some.
No be so, Jare.
Nah, one thing I can't look here.
What is?
Somebody informed me, say, and I get some motorway in one set.
Oh, yes. If he said, I don't want to send somebody to you, so that make you know if you.
I even hear say one tip I like inside.
Tipper, yes, one tipper.
Yes. Now that tipper I come for.
You want buy that tipper?
Now that tipper I want buy.
Okay, let me see. Okay. That is it. Please go through this one. Check it for me. It's here. It's here.
Yeah.
Yes. The tipper. Anyway, the minimum price where company wants sell am be 15,000 naira.
15,000 naira.
Yes. But Chief Dembula, I want make you make your own something. Put down for 50,500. If you do them like that, you see everything go alright. But before then, now, me I will collect 5,000 naira cash from you. You will get the formula now.
I don't get that.
Yeah.
I don't get that proper.
Yeah. Your tender to be 15,500.
Now if it is. That's one of your 5,000 naira.
Don't do that. You don't get already.
I don't put that there.
Chief Dembula.
Now we do that.
That's right.
Now money is strong.
Thank you very much.
I think I'll give you that 15,000 naira.
Oh, not now. Make your tender. Go and write your tender.
Okay, write down.
Write down first tomorrow. Then on Friday when we are selling them, you just bring the cash.
Bravo, bro.
Chief Dembula.
Hey, brother.
Chief Dembula.
I'm with that.
Thank you very much.
That's the way see you will do run.
Greetings to my Pidgin demo. Anybody will not get sense. I ain't go die for this thing. They don't get sense wiseness. Yes? Yes, can I help you?
Yes, sir. Good day, sir.
Good day.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I want to look for your head, sir. I want to make you...
Come nearer, come nearer.
I want to make you help me.
Waiting.
For the motorway they want to sell on Friday, sir. I want the small one way they there, sir.
Please, I don't even want to hear anything from you. Go away. Go away. Go out of my office.
I want to make you help me.
What's the rubbish? Yinko's baby. Please stand right.
I need to
stand right. You know, oh, Yinka. Stand up. Get up. If somebody enter my office now, see you as you sit down, so what did they do?
What thing happen? Now crime make people when they work for the same office, they go out with each other. I bet that's not be the thing where I come from.
Everybody who don't know say it's my girlfriend. Oh.
It no matter.
Okay.
Anyway, the thing where I come from say I want that small car.
Which small car?
The smallest car where the company be one sell.
That car, that beautiful car.
Yeah.
Maybe somebody don't come ask for them, just they drag him out, they drag us.
Now who be that?
No mind them, whether not those store boys.
Store boy. I beg make you no mind that one.
Let me check.
How you go there for this kind place? I go miss that kind car.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I trust you. Go through the list there. You see him?
Yes.
You got it?
See him.
Okay. Good. Oh, the car is 5,500. Okay. Make your 500. Yes.
Now 3,500 I get to.
3,500. It's alright. Just make your tender 5,500 naira. No more, no less. Bring your tender. Then me I go see to the rest money.
Oh, you go
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Get that my darling. Wow. That's why you are a darling, right?
That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Share I go see you for evening for house.
Evening. Okay, by 7 I'll be there.
I trust you. Me I dey miss you. See you.
Thank you. Ah, you good baby.
Hey, my daddy don't come. Yes. Make I come out for garage. That is why they sit down. Get up, my friend. But they look for job. Go sit down for my chair. Sorry. That's what they do for your house. Okay, yeah, go. I am sorry. Get up. They look for job. Me too. Make I get up. Get up. I am sorry. I don't get respect at all. Sorry, I am sorry, Papa Larry. Now you get this house, but you can look for job. Not be so. I don't allow you to sit down for my chair. Sooner or later, you will become my client. My life. Come. You know how to drive. I know how to drive, sir. Kerikeri We. International driver. You right now? Yeah, I'm here for your money. Do like this. See how? I see how. Right now. What's it down here? This one is great. This one is plus. This one is not true. Bless her. Begin to drive. Sit down well, my friend, sit down well. Bless her. Press the brake. Press the brake. You see her? I don't see her. Come. You don't write down? I don't write down. Anyway, Mr. Man, I go tell my people to write you. Share my son. I make you don't worry. You go get them. I say they go write you. My name is Bende Talekba alias Faifo. hear the way talk? I hear now. Tell me your name again.
Bende Shalepa alias 5 Baba.
Salepa.
That is my name.
Ati Baba Jomo. Salepa alias 5.
Now my name be that.
I don't write down. You know how to write.
Okay. As I be drive well. If you say na name moto, na ya won't drive, okay? Make I tell you my experience. If you say I want drive for jejely, I go use 4 months. 4 months only. For this one here, name moto be that. If you say I want drive like Sarongo, okay? After 3 months like this, they go take and go to speed, take and do full board. Now do I talk?
You do well. Anyway,
so Sorongo, you don't get license. I'm international driver. I get driving license, okay?
You know how to smoke.
Okay. I know they smoke that small one, but that big one,
Hey!
as I be that
You try. Hey, my friend, you don't go jail before.
basic question they ask me, okay, now. Now you don't know me. If you go our carry like this, they know me well, every month like this. Now my house be that. I don't go like seven times.
Now that one go be like that. You don't know plenty people for that.
We dey meet ourselves there. Popular person, he dey there. Unknown person, he dey there. Viral shooters, he dey there. You say he go join us.
This one I want to.
You know the thing yourself.
That means I'm a bank manager.
Baby,
I'm a inspector.
Now my name is Dad.
Don't pass. You don't pass. Hey, my last question is say, if you say rain the fall, and one trailer they face you like this, and you they drive me, and that trailer you don't come out for the road like this, you can't take your own road to me. Tell me, if you say that you they drive my car, you park for that trailer, and you don't go park for her.
Baby, which question is that?
Face it trailer. Make the trailer clean.
As that trailer they come from my front like this. Me say I face the trailer. I go face am, me and that man we go jam ourselves. No be woman be the drive the motor.
And you too, you
The woman be trailer go come for one side, me say.
Yes, Salepa.
Now my name is Baba. Jawa yo. Now my name is
Anyway, I go tell my pikin, you go write your letter. Before we can, you go get it.
I bet if you won't come, you know our garage.
No, don't be me, go carry and come. You go post that, my beg. Go down.
Come! If you don't reach a little garage, just ask 5 old years, then go come my name.
My day safe.
That day safe, no problem with that, Baba. I could expect your boy, make you come give me the letter. Yeah.
Salepa.
Ja. Bani.
Salepa. Salepa.
No problem.
Salepa. Yes, this one I pretend. This one I never money. This. Look at this boy. And make you start to write your will, if that one. Hey, Baba Larry, Lord, I am sorry.
I am
What is all this nonsense? I've been because of me they riot. They say that they no go gree. No.
Oh!
gelato. Hey Africa. He gelato. Hey Africa. We no go gree. We no go gree. Monkey dey walk. Baboon dey chop. Primary dey fall. We work with the limb. Yes. All our rights wey dem don give us. Na today we go say, we tell them say we no be fool. Yes. He is Soweto. Hey Africa. He is Soweto. Hey Africa. Obado. Hey. Obado. Hey. Yakupa. Yakupa. We are saying, give us a right. Hey Africa. Hey Soweto. Hey Africa. If fly like this, come out. Good. To kill him. If to say woman being, now he do like this, we go kill him. Kill him. You hear me? You hear. Please. How monkey could they work? How they jump? Or get the party, we work up with the link. Oh, we are saying, give us a right. Okay, make you not kill yourself. Take it cool. If you die because of rights, we no mind. Yeah, take it cool. You no go die. Everybody no go die. We are ready to die. You no go die. This is my 33 years for this. Please, wait. Mister, what thing happen? Social injustice. Okay, for God's sake. How person go just do the thing we like anyhow? Brahma must go. What him do? He do plenty things. What him do? Thank you, God. All the motor we do for our yard. Where you talk say you be our boss. You be our boss. So look, you the people they talk and say, I go to Bagu. Tabambu eno me. May I no go fear up. If you not feed my mouth, I go do anything for you. You don't talk with that. You hear me? Okay. The mutawe you talk say make them sell for our junior staff, people like me, like my people. Oga Brahma, come sell the muta for another person, for your family. Yes.
Come sell am for your girlfriend.
For your girlfriend? No. All you know, wait for here. We apply. We no chop with the thing.
I know the office, they drive me come out.
All the thing. You feel talking in the person of Brahma.
Why not?
Yes, because God goes look, as they run, they go. Now I call them. Now my inside my office, now I lock them. So why you run? Yes, you understand? Because all this thing where they take, I have evidence for it too. You hear? Okay. Wait, make I call her. Call her. I will call her. If they are born and where they come here, my people, make you no come out from my back.
Within your back.
Because if the man try to run away, kill him. Yes. All of you. Now provocation. Hey, shut up. Okay, make him. Don't tell me to shut up. Don't tell me to shut up. You be my boss. Okay. The only power where you get, you feel sack me. Yes. Okay. And I go my house. Okay. Have monkey go the walk, bagoon go the chop. For we are. They are not being stuck for this one. All of we go die. Not be your name day here. Who now you buy am? Now you buy the. Me? Yes. Me? Yes. Aluwe. Yes.
So Papiluwe. Papiluwe now.
So you buy. Wait. Not be your own name day here. Okondo. Say not be your own name day here. Okondo. So you buy car.
So na buy car.
Me? So all of you buy car, say not be your own. Me buy car.
My name.
Me buy motor. Plenty.
My name.
Wait so.
Not be me. I
beg we no say again. Oga. Wait. I want to hear one by one. You understand? Wait. Ask him. You buy car, you don't tell anybody. Anyway, you buy yourself, you buy motor, you don't tell me. You don't tell me. You be bad man. You are stupid man. You be bad man. You don't see? And you don't buy motor, you don't tell me. You want for nothing. Okondo. It's alright. Stupid man, wait, buy car, wait, don't tell me. It's alright. You go me for outside. Okay. I'll see. Brahma, what do you do? Get to talk. True to second for them or you know second. Share me about the car. Oga too. Papiluwe apply. And you buy him. Finish. Buy waiting. Buy waiting. He apply through. But you know meets the price. You know meets the price. Yes. So Papiluwe no buy. I no buy anything. Okondo, he buy. He don't buy, sha. He apply.
What
wait. I buy motor. He say you no buy.
Apply.
What? You don't apply.
I shut to apply.
But you no buy.
The money where they
okay, I don't understand. Now true, these people they get right. It's so nice when they do. They get right. Why you come back and stand up here saying that them here? Now because now the time where they have.
Shut up, mister! Now you dey spoil all the officers. I wonder. Then tell us say all this motor make them the seller to ourselves. So we go to begin take and help ourselves. You get what I mean? And now you are selling the motor for outsiders. Where you the wrong go? You the wrong go. Anyway, for your information, just when you go up, and by the grace of God, you are going to. No, you decide. Are you?